The desk board attaches between the left and right desk arm brackets, as shown here. You have a few options when it comes to the construction of the desk board. The desk board can be built out of any lumber material such as solid wood, particle board, plywood, or MDF. Edge banding may be added to the edges of the desk board to give it a truly professional finished look. You may want to watch the video on how to apply edge banding available at easydiymurphybed.com. You can also use a melamine shelving board, available at most hardware stores such as Home Depot or Lowe's. These shelving boards are usually 5/8 inch thick and are made out of particle board or MDF. They usually come in 12 or 16 inches wide, and you can easily cut these to the required size to be used as the Murphy bed desk board. There are some requirements that you must keep in mind before you start building the desk board for the proper operation of the DIY Murphy bed desk. The length of your desk is the distance between the inside of the left and right desk arm brackets. For best results, we recommend you cut the board after setting up the desk arm brackets on the face of the Murphy bed to avoid mistakes. The depth of the desk board can be between 12 and 24 inches deep for any vertical wall bed. However, for a horizontal Murphy bed cabinet, the depth of the desk board should not exceed 20 inches, because the desk will be too wide, and it may add too much weight to the bed frame. Also, if you are already using a heavier mattress for your wall bed, you may choose to use a smaller desk board. The basic desk board consists of a single board that attaches to the left and right arm brackets of the desk. The desk board can be built out of 5/8 or 3/4 inch thick material, such as solid wood, plywood, particle board, or MDF. You may also add a rear rail to your desk board. This is the better option since the rear rail will prevent the desk board from bending in the middle when heavier objects are placed on it during regular use. This option will also add a more professional finished look to Murphy bed desk. The rail can be constructed out of any lumber material such as particle board, plywood, or solid wood. One requirement for the rear rail is that the maximum height is 3.5 inches tall, so it will not interfere with the face panels when opening the bed. You may add sides to the desk board as shown here. Of course, you can also round the sides if you choose to. The only requirement for the desk sides is that they be less than 3.5 inches tall as well. Once you have determined the kind of desk board you want to build, go ahead and build it, using the materials you choose as instructed here. The desk we are showing here has been installed in a full-size vertical Murphy bed. This desk board is 16 inches deep, and features a rear rail. Here the desk has been installed on a horizontal full-size Murphy bed, and the desk board is 20 inches deep. Sides have also been added. If you have a twin horizontal easy DIY Murphy bed, it is recommended to keep the width of the desk board less than 12 inches wide, to avoid the desk board extending beyond the footer of the bed frame when it is open. Once you have completed the construction of the desk board, proceed to watch video number 7, to learn how to attach the desk board to the desk arm brackets.